Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bike. One of a customer and drove in shop and complains there's metallic grinding and rattling sound, kind of loud noise from engine and transmission area. I'm not sure when I first starting off, that sounds like this metallic noise hitting by the something between engine and transmission. You guys take a listen. Maybe it sounds that noise is pretty much loud. I brought in shop and the radio voice a little bit, and I tried to diagnose it, and I've been point test. I pushed back with my hand, with separate plate, pushed back. The noise is changing once the part is pushed back on the separate plate, and then this noise is gone sometime. So it sounds like a mostly separate plate. There's a separate plate between engine and transmission, and I call this separate plate replacement. Approved repair, replacement of separate plate between engine and transmission. I'm going to show as a quickly as much as. So remove transmission whole assembly, not exactly remove transmission, just push it back. Disconnect the battery first and lay off the truck on the hoist, and then remove a skid plate front and back, and equal with the engine side more, and then remove a rear drive shaft and a front drive shaft, and then first lower the stabilizer bar, and then start motor as well. Now disconnect shift cable from the transmission and put away, and also remove transmission whole assembly, also need a drain coolant, and then support the transmission oil pan, long wood block, and then remove this cross member, and then transmission and transfer mount bolt, rock a small one and big core assembly. And then now it's much harder because catalytic converter not is so much rusting, and then you need a heating up the oxygen and a special tool, and then compared to the new one, old one is so much rusted. Also 5-liter right hand top side auto sensor removal much easier. Remove a transmission converter 4 nut, and then push the back whole transmission assembly over 10-inch or 15-inch you can possible. I remove this separate plate from the engine and transmission, and then it was installed between right here, and I was turning this separate plate slightly and then take that out. Not very hard to remove it. Once the stuff on the dowel pin, you need to slightly play out within the flat screwdriver. I'm going to show where's the grinding spot right here. Double converter stud, and then turning, and then hitting right here is the grinding and touching and metal to metal. That's why it's kind of metallic grinding and touching and rattling noise. I thoroughly inspected auto transmission this mount stud area. End of the stud, there are shiny spots. That means this stud is while engine turning, and then that metal screaming and then noise to the separate plate is making noises. So I ordered thorough inspection, mostly all of the same shiny spot, and I needed slightly grinding with a cut off tool, not much grinding, just around a millimeter, and then before the thread. I grinding a little bit all over 4 starters, torque converter mount to flex plate area. Once the grinding and then it looks shiny like this, I painted for preventing rust. Slightly pinch the dowel pin area. I installed new separate plate between engine flex plate dowel pin area, and I put the back transmission and the 35 foot-pound. There are so many parts that need to back together, and of course attach the catalytic converter or assembly with 2 people. Just attach the flange to the manifold 5-liter, and then keep over with the turbocharger. Just hand tight And then you guys first tighten this back of the transfer and the transmission mount bolt to the transfer. Tighten this bolt, and then next this is small bracket 15mm head mounted, and that's all. And then you guys can tighten the catalytic converter bolt to the manifold. Put together even torque converter nut and other audible extra and another part. And now I'm request normal noise present. You guys can hear. I want you to step out of the car. There's normal noise.